This is a heavy 3D mockup consisting of 6 iPhone skins. We're going to create replacement design images for the brown, the orange, blue, the green yellow, maybe full color here, and the violet skin. Here's our iPhone skin design. I've set up layer comps for each skin color variation. Here's blue, orange, violet, green, and brown. Let's export all these layer comps by selecting them. This smart layer will be auto-replaced with other skin design. For a quick workflow, I've got an action button here for Smart Layer Replace. I'm gonna select only 3 designs for this demo. 3 replacement designs for a quick demo. I'm gonna choose an output location for the exported files. I will just output them right here. We don't have to enable edit contents of the smart layer since it's just flat. These settings should fit our designs perfectly. Run job Queu for layer comp support. These are the generated skin designs exported from layer comps. We still got the full color set here. The blue, brown, green, orange, and violet. Going back to our mockup, let's take a look at how the 3D textures are set up. This blue iPhone, for example. This is the 3D layer, as indicated in the Properties panel. This is the texture. Double-click that. It contains the design smart layer at the center. We can auto-replace this smart layer and create texture files. Or we could skip this step altogether since the design just fills the center of the texture. But in some cases with other mockups, we do need to export texture files first to keep the design in the correct location of the 3D layer. Let's put it in a texture folder. We're now ready to do the final design replacements. One by one, we will set up each iPhone to have a set of 3 skin designs. Before doing so, make sure the 3D layer has a unique name. I will prepend it with the group acronym. This will ensure that Smart Layer Replace can find the correct 3D layer during auto replace. Add each replacement set to the job queue. The number at the end indicates the number of replacement files for this job. I will now do the same for each iPhone. All 3D layers replacement jobs have been set up. To avoid blank textures, it's important to turn VRAM-Safe on when handling a lot of 3D layers. When VRAM-Safe is enabled, the mockup is duplicated to keep Photoshop from running out of texture memory. Let's preview the results. See how the texture files we exported earlier perfectly fit.